Are you a brilliant attorney, but your phone isn't ringing enough? It's tough out there, but your ideal clients are actively searching for you online. They just can't find you. That's where SEO for attorneys come in. And today I'm diving deep into how to absolutely dominate your local search and get those weekly inquiries flowing. First up, let's talk about the bedrock, your Google business profile. Think of it as your firm's digital storefront. Is it optimized? Is every detail 100% accurate? Your name, address, phone number, what we call NAP, consistency, needs to be perfect everywhere online. Upload high quality photos of your office and team. Show your human side. And here's a pro tip. Regularly post updates, articles, and even offers directly to your GMB. It keeps your profile fresh and engaging for potential clients. Next, keyword research. This isn't just guesswork. You need to know what local clients are actually typing into Google. Divorce lawyer Miami, personal injury attorney near me, or estate planning London. These are your golden tickets. Integrate these location-specific keywords naturally into your website content, service pages, and blog posts. Don't stop there. Think about long-tail keywords as well. These are super specific phrases like uncontested divorce for military families in Manchester. There will be lower search volume but higher intent. These people know exactly what they need and you want to be the answer. Now, let's talk about your website itself. Is your content compelling? Each service page should do more than just list services. It should explain how you solve client problems. Use clear, accessible language, no overly complex legal jargon. Please, a strong legal blog is also essential. Answer common questions, explain new laws, or discuss local legal issues. For example, understanding divorce laws in the UK provides immense value and naturally hits those local keywords. And then there's reputation management. This is huge for lawyers. Positive client reviews build trust and credibility like nothing else. Actively encourage satisfied clients to leave reviews on your GMB, AWO, or Yelp. But what about negative reviews? Don't panic. Respond professionally and promptly to all feedback. Acknowledge concerns, apologize for negative experiences, and offer to take the conversation offline. This shows empathy and a commitment to client satisfaction, which can actually strengthen your reputation. And finally, remember that SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time and consistent effort, but the payoff is immense. A steady stream of qualified local inquiries every week. So start today and watch your firm grow. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.